Well, couples seeking divorce may be asked to attend counselling even before they file for court proceedings under a move to put their children's needs first. The Law and Social and Family Development Ministries are considering what's described as pre-filing programs under a review of the family justice system.
28-year-old Amanda remembers clearly the day she found out her parents were divorced. She was 12 then. She didn't hear it from her parents, but heard it when she eavesdropped on her grandma's phone conversation. She describes feeling betrayed and resentful.
There'll be a lot of trust issues, commitment issues, social issues that, a lot of parents don't see it coming in future. They just think it, they just think of it at that point of time, and I think it does really affect a child growing up when, you don't let him know in advance, if this is going to happen.
Under current divorce proceedings, issues concerning the child are often discussed only during or at the end of the divorce process.
You have filed your papers and you have given your replies, and then you go for this counselling and mediation. It's just too late, I think.
Those I spoke with say pre-filing sessions would be helpful in ironing out a range of issues related to the child. Observers said the state should provide the necessary resources at no cost to families facing separation, something which they say is lacking now.
In my research, what I have found is that they do desire some form of resources, some form of support, pre-divorce and post-divorce. It's just that it is not readily available and accessible to them. So they have expressed desire that they wish that there could be some form of structured program where they could send their children for counselling, where they could deal with difficult emotions.
The sessions could cover anything from the child's living arrangement to the choice of school and even visitation arrangements. Today, most single parents are divorcees. Since 2007, there has been an average of 7,000 divorces each year, with more than 8,000 children affected annually. Family experts are now asking for the voice of the child to be heard in such proceedings. But there are mixed opinions on whether a pre-filing program should be made mandatory.
If you don't mandate it, I'm just worried how many people are going to use these services. I'm not saying it will solve all the problems, but it will minimize, the issues of divorce and, child custody and maintenance and all those issues. You see, the thing that we need to bear in mind that nobody wants a contested divorce.
We see it as a support system rather as a law or legislation, right? And everybody have different kinds of circumstances when they file for divorce. And to insist that we have a one-size-fits-all approach, we are really not being sensitive to their unique challenges that they are facing.
Now, plans are also underway to roll out a whole suite of support programs for families going through a separation. Now, these include programs for children whose parents have already completed divorce proceedings, as well as programs for parents to work out their emotions and overcome co-parenting difficulties.